In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a Call of Duty style image with AI. So the platform that we're going to use is novoads.ai. The link of this site is going to be in the comment section. Once you arrive here, you need to create an account. And after that, you will arrive here. Once you arrive here, we need to go to the image section. Here, we have to go to settings. And in model, we are going to use GPT Image 2. Here, in quality, I like to use the medium quality because it's much cheaper than the high quality. And now here, we need to click in reference. Now I'm going to upload an image of myself, but you can use any other person. And now let's click here. Now let's click here. And now, where it says describe your image, we are going to use the following prompt. That is going to be in the comment section. So now let's click here. And now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the images, and as you can see, the quality is really good. I really like them. So if you want to do an image like the ones we did, remember that the prompts are going to be in the comment section, and that you can try novoads AI for just $1. With that, you will receive 10 credits, and for example, the 3 images that we created had a cost of 0.9 credits. So you could do like 30 to 33 images. So I recommend you to try the platform, and if you have any doubts, you can comment me in the comment section and see you in the next video.